cut. Hi there, this is chicken crumble just for you. Really quick, easy recipe. Just lightly fried my chicken in the pan. And that's going straight into the bowl. Didn't put any oil in the pan, by the way, just dry fried it. And full can of condensed soup's going in. And a couple of tablespoons of mayonnaise. Just give that all a good stir in. That's your chicken crumble base. It takes about 10 minutes to make. It's absolutely gorgeous. Make sure your bread's quite old, as long as it's not mouldy, and that will be fine. The staler it is for this recipe, the better. So that's your filling. And then you can see there we've grated the cheese and the breadcrumbs all in together. Well, thank you, Katie. What do you think, girls?
I think the pizza.
And what about the chicken crumble?
Chicken crumble is pizza. Mama's pizza.
The best. Well, you've done well. Well done. Who are you?
Mia.
Mia. Good girl. High five for Grandma. Yes. Good girl.
Grandma's pizza best. And chicken crumble is best in the world.
Oh, awesome. Good girl. Cost me a fortune to pay them to say that.